What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here, showing you how to make money online, or in this case, how not to make money online. Today I will be reviewing the phone app called Gibby Play. This app gives you coins for winning simple games on your phone, which you can convert into real cash. I'm withdrawing a grand total of 41 euro cents now to show you some payment proof. There it is already. I just found out there's an option to get paid in GBP. So the first game is the classic memory pairs one, better known as Pelmanism. If you can just remember 3 of the pairs in one go, you can get the rest by trial and error before your lives run out. Next up we have Noughts and Crosses, or Tic-Tac-Toe if you're not British. This game is less lucrative than the others because most people know the optimal strategy to block you from winning. Sometimes it's a bot that just lets you win though.
Dodge this.
Finally, we have an edutainment title in the form of maths questions because that's what the kids really want. Math Blaster used to be class though, to be fair. Resolve the mathematical tasks to gain Gibby coins. If you're struggling on this one, the trick is to just figure out what the last digit of the answer should be. Now you don't have to be a maths genius to see that this app doesn't pay very much at all. After using up all of your lives and claiming the daily streak bonus and time treasure chests, you'll only end up making about 1 cent per day. To put that into perspective, you can get 1 cent just for answering the daily poll question on Swagbucks, and the games on Swagbucks pay you 10 cents per day. Plus, you can do all the other stuff I mentioned in my Swagbucks tutorial video. I don't want to completely throw this app under the bus though. It's an honest app that really pays you just to mess around on your phone, and the withdrawals are processed almost instantly.
That's a pretty impressive response time, fellas.
Besides, if your goal is to make as much money as possible, then turning down free pennies doesn't make sense. Our top paying sites like Prolific don't always have opportunities available, so you might want some lower paying apps to keep the momentum going. If you're someone who plays on your phone a lot when you get bored at work, this could be the app for you. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe to Lazy Money UK so I can show you the best money making apps and websites. See you next time.